Now that we have all mastered one digit by double digit multiplication, today we're going to do double digit by double digit. So there's two ways I'm going to teach you. This is the first way, and it's the most simple one, but also a little bit tough actually. You could treat it the exact same way as one digit multiplication. If I have the numbers 12 times 23, I can do it as 12 times 20 plus 12 times 3. Remember, because 23 is just 20 plus 3, and then you do distributive property to do 12 times 20 and 12 times 3. 12 times 20, we should know you do 12 times 2, add a 0, 12 times 2 is 24, add a 0 is 240, and 12 times 3 is 36. 240 plus 36 equals 276. Now, this works well when one of the numbers is small. So I'm going to move my camera so you can just see what the sentence is talking about. But basically, if I'm doing 12 times 23, the number is 12. It's pretty small. I can do this math. But if there's bigger numbers, if both the numbers are outside the range of 10 to 20 approximately, then you're going to have to use another method. This is the method that I will teach you, the crisscross method. So if I do 12 times 23, you put them above each other in your head. 12, 23. We're going to have three digits, finally, that are going to come in. The first step 1, is going to be multiply the ones place. Very simple, extremely self-explanatory. I take 2 and I take 3. I multiply them together, 6. That's the rightmost position. All there is to it. Second step, you multiply the numbers in the middle. This is why the method is called crisscross. So I'll take 1 times 3 and 2 times 2. That gives me 3 times 1 is 3 and 2 times 2 is 4. 3 plus 4. I take the sum of those and I do 7. Just to recap one more time, I crisscross multiply. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. I add that in the next digit, in the middle one. And then I multiply the tens place. 1 times 2 is 2. I just add the 2 here. Pretty easy, like the first step. Now, here's a little bit more complex example. Sometimes you'll run into some situations which require some extra steps, which I'll talk about right now. 5 times 3 is 15. We multiply the ones place, but I cannot add 1 and 5 in one spot. So 1, 5, we take the number to the left as remainder. So 1 is a remainder and the 5 goes here. So 5 you can just put normally, but the 1 you're going to have to remember for the next step. Now we crisscross again. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. But we're not going to put 21 yet, because you have to wait. Add the remainder of 1. The remainder of 1 from the previous step comes in here. Whatever the remainder is, you add it here. It was 1, so 21 plus 1 equals 22. Now we follow the process like normal. Again, it's 2 digits, so the 2 on the right side goes here, and the other 2 on the left, whatever the number on the left may be, is remainder. So now we take the left side. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 825. If you're left with more than one digit on the left side, then you can add it. For example, like if my right to the two numbers to the right side, the ones place and the tens place, I have to take the remainder over. But if in the last step, you're left with the number more than 9, for example, 10, 11, 12, and on, you can just simply add it. Now, that's all there is for multiplication. In the next video, we're going to start with division. Thank you so much for watching all the multiplication videos. I urge you practice, 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 because practice makes perfect. With that, I will see you in the next one.